guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. So as you probably already saw from the thumbnail of this video, I finally reached 1,000 subscribers. And I'm honestly beside myself. I know that that's still absolutely nothing compared to other channels, but it's something that I've been working on for 2+ years now. So it's a huge accomplishment for me. It just made me feel really good when I finally saw the 1K on my YouTube channel, and now my channel has been reviewed for monetization, which is really cool, and that'll be able to help me grow the channel faster and do a lot more cool things with you guys over time. This is going to be kind of a two-part video. First of all, I just want to say thank you to everybody who's helped me on the channel. I have a lot of friends, a lot of family who have helped me make videos. Without them, I couldn't have done it. And then most importantly, I want to thank you guys for watching my videos, my subscribers. To my future subscribers, thank you. I'm just really appreciative of everybody who watches my channels and comments and engages in my videos. Really makes me feel good that I have a following. I know it's not a huge following, 1,000 subscribers, but it's definitely something that I've had to work to get. So this is just a big thank you to you guys. I just couldn't be more grateful. I'm so excited for the rest of the year and what 2020 holds. I just can't describe how excited I am. Hopefully this will open up more opportunities for me to review more cars, and actually just kind of not necessarily a teaser, but keep your eyes out. Hopefully next week I'll be uploading a video of a C7 Corvette review. I actually have the car in my possession now for a couple days, so I'm going to be working on that as diligently as I can. The second part of this video, which is probably the real reason most of you guys came to this part. So as you know, I'm doing a GoPro Hero 5 session giveaway, and I made a video about it at like 940 subscribers. And everybody who commented on that video, subscribed to the channel, and shared to their friends is now entered in that giveaway. So I didn't want to make this video the giveaway, and the reason being, everybody who did that, there was a lot of details that I sort of left out on when it was going to be done and when the giveaway period was over. So that's what this video is. I'm also going to explain when I'm going to release the video and who actually wins the GoPro Hero 5 session. So if you subscribe and did all the requirements on the last video, or the next last video now, the GoPro Hero 5 session giveaway video, go down on my videos, you'll see it. It's the second one from the top as of right now. If you did those things, you're entered in the giveaway. So this video, all I'm doing, I'm gonna set a time for you guys to come back for the reveal video. That date is going to be a week from today. A week from today. So next Friday, I'm doing the reveal of the GoPro Hero 5 session giveaway. So please, 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 if you did the requirements to the giveaway and you're entered, this is important to make sure that you're notified when the video releases, when I'm giving away the GoPro. So, super important. Go to my channel page, stop what you're doing right now, go to my channel page, hit the notification bell, and select all. I'm gonna kind of put what it looks like right here. Do that for me. That way, when I release that video next Friday, you get a notification on your phone and you can check it out right then. So that'll help you guys out a lot. Good luck to all my contestants who entered. A lot of people don't do this good of a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. As you know, a GoPro Hero 5 session is around $250. So it's definitely a really solid giveaway, and your chances of winning it are pretty good. It's not like 1,000 people commented on that video, so you have a pretty good chance of winning it. So congrats in advance to whoever wins it. Good luck to all of you, and thank you for watching this video. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It literally helps me so much more than you know. And also hit the notification bell for future uploads, future content. This is going to be a growing channel in 2020. I'm committed to making more videos and really taking my time and doing things right this year. So again, thank you for all your support. Thank my friends and family for helping me make videos. And I want to thank my friends and family that help me make videos and that will help me make videos in the future. Video goes out to you guys and also my viewers. So again, thank you so much, and I will see you back next Friday if I don't drop a video between then of the C7 Corvette review. But the reveal video will be next Friday, a week from today. So thank you guys. Hope you have a good one. Have a blessed day. Peace.